Welcome. Today, we're addressing a frustrating issue that many users encounter: the Messenger app crashing on PC. If you've been experiencing unexpected shutdowns or freezes, don't worry. I'll guide you through several effective steps to fix this problem, especially with the latest updates in mind. Let's get started. First, let's try a quick fix by closing the app and reopening it. It sounds simple, but sometimes all it takes is a fresh start to resolve minor glitches. So, exit Messenger completely, then launch it again. You might find that this quick step solves the crashing issue right away. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to restart your device. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard and click on the power icon. From the options that appear, select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your PC back on by pressing the power button. This helps clear any temporary files or settings that could be causing the crashes. If the app continues to crash, try connecting to a different network. Sometimes, unstable connections can lead to issues with apps. Go to the notifications area and click on the network icon. From there, switch to another network to see if that improves the situation. A more stable connection can make all the difference. Next, let's check your internet connection. Click on the network icon in the notifications area to ensure that your connection is strong and stable. If you notice any problems, you may want to troubleshoot your network or contact your internet provider for assistance. If you've gone through these steps and Messenger is still crashing, it might be time to uninstall and reinstall the app. Start by pressing the Windows icon and typing Uninstall App. Find Messenger in the list of applications. Click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the action to remove the app. Once it's uninstalled, go back to the Windows icon and search for the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Messenger and click on Install to download the latest version. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any crashing issues with the Messenger app on PC.